Okay, so the last day and a half, I've had trouble making. Well, I've been making videos, but I haven't been able to upload them because of internet problems. Well, then I had one video that I should have been able to upload, but for some reason it wouldn't upload once I transferred it from my laptop to my phone because my phone's uploading them faster, and my laptop stopped like taking the internet for some reason. So I'll recap over what I went over in that video. So June 24th, day 3. We had orientation stuff. We went around the campus, and then we got language partners. And my language partner isn't that good at English. It sounds like she learned it from an RPG because she was like, "Oh, our time has come. Best wishes for tonight," and all these things that like sound like you would learn them from a video game and not from like a textbook. So maybe she learned them from like an RPG that was poorly translated. I don't know. But then so I went with my language partner because I had to get a SIM card for my phone. And then there's only one place I was supposed to be able to take my phone for like usage, and then I went to that place. When we were going there, the rain started pouring, and then it was pouring all of a sudden, and then it was all windy all of a sudden. I didn't know what was going on. So my language partner whips out an umbrella and then is like, "Oh, get under the umbrella. If you get sick, it's my fault." So let's say as one of the aspects of Chinese culture is when someone takes you somewhere, it's their duty for them to protect you. So yeah, and then that happens. I made a video of it. You can watch it on my Facebook page, which you're watching this on technically, but it might be in your news feed. And then, so yeah, it rained, and then it stopped raining all of a sudden. It was like in Forrest Gump, where it just stopped raining. And then we got to the place, and then my phone didn't take the SIM card for some reason. I still need like to use something to make it work. And then we went back, and then that night I just watched Lord of the Rings with some people. Oh, let's switch hands with my arms. Okay. So then I'm gonna walk back now. That way I have a nice even amount of time both ways. So then the next day, which is yesterday, the 25th, day 4, we went to the Summer Palace, the group of the students studying abroad here in the program. And I have a video of that I'm going to try to upload of me going through there. Truly a majestic palace. Reminds me of Hearst Castle of Versailles. I particularly enjoyed Versailles, but Versailles was a little too big for my taste. So yeah, we went around the Summer Palace, and then we got on a boat, which is cool because the boat goes down the river. It's kind of like a Chinese riverboat. It's like a modern version. And yeah, so we went there and we did that. Sup? And then we went down the river. I learned Chinese river vocabulary. Woman, Shanghai. So like we got on the boat, we boarded the boat. The person on the boat was I guess giving some tour. It was all in Chinese, so I didn't really understand most of it. I understand a little bit, but not most of it. We had to make 2 transfers on boats. So we had to get off the first boat, go to a different boat, and then after that boat we had to get off that boat and get to a different boat. And then half our group got stranded one time because they had to go to the bathroom, so they had to wait another hour for the next boat. And then we kept going along the river, and then eventually we got off the boat, and then we all went and walked to this mall. And we walked to the mall, and we got in the mall. And Chinese malls are just like American malls, except there's more Chinese people and everything's in Chinese. The brands are more or less the same. There's some knockoff brands. There was a fake Apple store. It was hilarious. It was called like Apple iPhone, and they had like the geniuses or whatever they're called working there, but you could tell they were fake because all the translations were wrong and stuff. So fake Apple store. And then had some really bitchin' chicken later. It was pretty damn good. I don't remember the Chinese name for it, but I don't know the English name for it. No idea what it is in English. I just know there was like chicken wings with the bone still inside and like chicken nugget form, but they weren't like full chicken wings. They were like small, and then they were really hot too. So ate those, finished those. Then I tried to get back because we were like a mile and a half away from the university, and then the other people wanted to still shop for a while. So I tried to get back, but Google Maps is fucked up here. Everything's shifted. Like if you put it to go to your location, it goes to like, it's at least half a kilometer off. And then so I went back, and then I found a group to go with, and then we just walked back. We finally found the way, and then we made it. And now today I'm just walking around. I got my breakfast. This stuff's pretty good. Rollbaus. I love this stuff as like meat and grilled onions. I think I've talked about it. So yeah, I have other videos I'm gonna upload that I recorded yesterday. The mall one and the Summer Palace one. Unfortunately, you'll never see my original footage of June 24th, day 3 status report, but I talked about basically everything. Oh, what I gotta talk about for that one on June 24th is the language barrier. Since my language partner doesn't speak English that well, and everyone in those countries speaks Chinese, not many people here actually speak English. It's overblown, it's overstated that people like in other countries speak English and Western media. So basically I have to do everything here in Chinese when I'm like ordering food or like talking to people on the streets. And it's not as hard, it's not as easy as people think, because when you're in the United States and you see someone that doesn't speak English that well, si habla español, and you make fun of them because they don't speak English that well, you're a dick. I'm sorry, but you don't realize you need to go to another country not speaking very much of the language. You can speak a little bit, but you might not be fluent. You might not, someone will be talking at you so fast and you won't know what's going on, and all you want is your lunch, and then you're just struggling and they think you're an idiot. So yeah, don't make fun of people who can't speak English that well, because one day you might be in their shoes in another country. So yeah, I'm about to be back into the hotel dorm thing. It's like a hotel, but it's like an international student dorm also. So yeah, until I'm afraid our time has come. I'm afraid our time has come. Peace.